Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta, stock number 6995. This ran from the 2nd 2011 to the 12th 2017. It's a CTHD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CTHD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory made tyre, front bonnet, left-hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 crease, left rear 17-inch factory made tyre, left-hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right front door no dents, right-hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory made tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, rear mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.